Hey everyone, I thought I'd do a quick video here to share some changes we're going to make. So those of you that are subscribed to the Zocademy channel, this channel, glad to have you. We're looking forward to posting more and more videos. It's been a bit of a challenge with all the business that we have going on, but we're going to commit to it. The reason for this video is to let you know about a sister channel that we have that right now, today, as of today, the filming of this only has 2 subscribers, and I think one of them is probably me. And maybe Zocademy, who knows. But we really just haven't done anything with it. The channel is the Edkins Group. And so as some of the other videos, if you watch those, you realize what I do is I own a company, an advisory firm called the Edkins Group. And what we do is we help companies across the country, and we've helped a few around the world, maximize their usage of Zoho to help improve their profitability and improve their overall company valuation. So what we're going to do with that channel is post more of the stories, more of the client calls, more stories of what's happened, and we're hoping we're going to turn that into almost its own media thing where maybe it's podcast, I don't know. But I think definitely we have a deep trove of calls because we record all of our calls, is we're going to be diving into those and producing more and more client calls to help make it relatable. You know, how are people using Zoho? What are some of the challenges they're having? So I've had so many of these calls over the years that I thought, well, let's dive into them and start producing it for you guys. And again, so the Edkins Group would be more the stories, maybe the whys and the whats, and then Zocademy will maintain more of the how-to. So we do have a client video call that's on Zocademy. It's actually one of our better performers. So I'll put the link, a little card will pop out there. But at the conclusion of this video, if you could click to subscribe to the Edkins Group and click the bell notification, and as we see more people added, we're going to add more videos. And again, I think it'll be highly valuable for you to be subscriptions or be subscribers to both channels. So you can see this is unedited and just raw footage here. Just want to get the message out. So love to have you as a subscriber to the Edkins Group and the Zocademy. Click the like button, subscribe, bell notification, and share this with others if you see value in that. Have a great day. Thanks.